So if you want to recover your GCash account here and maybe possibly get the funds that you had before on your account, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, the thing with the GCash here, if you can't recover it yourself, like for example, your phone was stolen and you don't have a copy of your mobile number, or let's just say like you're moving to a different mobile number here and you want to recover your funds, and you can access your old account, well, there are a few things that you need to take in mind. Now, by the way, this is directly from Gcash itself. This is an article that they publish here. Now, the thing with Gcash here is you won't be able to update your number as is inside the app. You need to what we call submit a transfer of funds request via your new number. Now, the thing with new numbers here, typically you need to go through the whole process that involves you creating a new Gcash account and also verifying your Gcash account. Now, typically the creating a new Gcash account is quite simple. You just need to open up the Gcash app and just enter your new number here, and from then on you want to go ahead and just basically complete the verification process. Now, I'm assuming you already do know the basics here, like registering and even like verifying your account here. But once you've done that, you should have the option to start the funds transfer option, or the option for you to request a fund transfer here. Now, all you need to do is you want to go and just go to the Gcash app here, log in, look for Help Center, and you want to go and just type in or select transfer of funds, and you want to go and just basically tap the chat with GG option and just basically follow the on-screen steps. Now, typically it will connect you with a representative, or GG will assist you on what steps you need to do, what information you need to provide here in order for you to request a funds transfer. Now, the thing with this one, it won't be able to recover everything for you. Now, you will be able to recover your funds, but obviously like certain details about your account, your history, any history you did on your previous account won't be transferred. So this is the best thing that you could do right now. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.